2022 to Kisumu now, where a three-story building collapsed in Mamboleo area this afternoon, killing 3 people. 7 other people were rescued from the rubble of the building. Witnesses claim the building was being constructed despite orders stopping the construction issued by the National Construction Authority. Hadia Mwasiwa now reports.
A somber mood filled the air after bodies of 2 women and 1 man were pulled out of the debris after a 3-story building under construction crumbled down this afternoon. 7 others were rescued from the collapsed building. According to eyewitnesses, the building collapsed while workers were on their lunch break.
Nyumba ikaanza kubomoka na katikati ikatufikia tukakimbia. Hivyo ndio ikakuwa hivyo mpaka mwenye nilikuwa nafanya naye kakimbia kabisa, sijamuona. Wengine pia wamekufa ndani.
Tulikuwa 60 people. Nilikuwa nafanya kazi hapa around hapa. Lakini bahati mzuri wenye wanafanya kazi wajaumia, wenye wako wanafanya kazi ndio wameumia. Wenye waleta tu chakula wamekaa nini ya nyumba ndio wameumia.
National Construction Authority officers say the owner of the building defied orders to stop construction immediately after a notice was issued following inspection conducted 3 months ago.
When we checked, they had not been given approved plans by county government and NEMA. They were only given acknowledgement by them, so they did not have full approvals.
Residents expressed their outrage, throwing blame on the authorities for turning a blind eye.
What is the government doing so that they can avoid such inconvenience before their happenings? That is the question of the residents of Kisumu. Because for us, it is not our happiness to see some of us dying just because of impunity of this nation.
Watu wa kuangalia manyumba kama sasa maskari wa municipal ni watu hawajui mambo ya kujenga. Wanatembea tu na kuchukua pesa. Na hiyo mambo sio mambo mazuri. Na ukiangalia vile nyumba imejengwa, method imekuwa mbaya sana. Imejengwa na hollow block kwa slab. Mpaka nyumba imerudi chini.
The 7 that survived injuries are recuperating at the Jaramogi Oginga Teaching and Referral Hospital. Hadia Mwasiwa for KTN News.
To a rather unfortunate incident, a family in